Hi, this is soldwithscanu with REMAX 5-Star Realty and the Houston Area Realtor Vlog. Welcome back to the show. For a quick 1-minute market update. After 4 weeks of increase, rates have finally stabilized as the Fed signals that rate policy increase will hold until further next year. However, the Fed is in no rush to cut the rates until the battle with inflation is won. Reporting for last month, demand is still 8% up versus this time last year. Median sale prices are up 3% at a $325,000. Total home sales are up 2.2% to almost 5,000 home sales last month. Average days on the market is 50 to 60 days, with about a 2% increase, with rates and low inventory being the biggest hurdles for potential buyers. The rates for a 30-year fixed-rate mortgage are averaging between 6 and 7%. However, inventory is up 14% from this time last year, while demand is still 8% lower to this time last year. The good news is homes are selling above ask price at 2.3% higher than last year. The median price per square foot in the Houston market is about $160 per square foot at this time. And rates finally stabilizing, however, they're still down 5% from this time last year, averaging at a 6.8%, being at about 6.7 a year ago. Still, buyers are struggling with rates and inventory in one of the least affordable markets in decades. That's why you need a trusted professional that can help you reach your goals efficiently, quickly, smoothly, and hassle-free. So if you're in the market to buy or sell, give me a call. We can get the ball rolling for you. Again, this is Omar with REMAX 5-Star Realty. Thanks for watching.